Hello everyone. Today we will see how to read the question as it is and without writing any step, how you will arrive at the answer by doing all the calculations in your mind. Suppose the question is given as like this: 68 plus 41. It's a two-digit addition. The first thing you have to see is whether the number of digits on either side of this plus is same. Here, if you see, 68 is two-digit number, 41 is also a two-digit number. So we can go for the answer directly. First, you will see the leftmost digit, that is 6 and 4. 6 plus 4, as you know, it is 10. But before writing 10 here, just observe the next pair, which is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, it's a non-carry combination. So what you can do is, you can directly write the 6 plus 4 sum here. The answer will be 109. We'll see one more example. Let's see this. Here also, the number of digits on either side of plus is same. The first number has 3 digits. The second number also has 3 digits. So you can directly go for the answer. First you will see the leftmost digit, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. But keep it in mind and go for the next set of digits. Which are the next set of digits? 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is a non-carry combination. So you can directly write the sum of 4 plus 2 here, which is 6. The sum of 4 plus 2 is 6. Next you go for the next pair, which is 2 plus 6 is 8. Keep 8 in mind and observe the next set of digits. The next set of digits is 5 plus 8. But 5 plus 8 is a carry combination. So what you have to do, you have to add 1 to the previous addition pair. Which was the previous addition pair? 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, which was in our mind. You have to add 1 to it. So 8 plus 1, 9. And then you go for the last set of digits, which is 5 plus 8. As you know, it is a carry combination and you have to write only the end number, which is 3. So the answer is 693. Let's see another addition example. As you can see, in this, the number of digits on either side of the plus sign, it is not the same. Correct? The first number has 4 digits, but the second number has only 3 digits. In this case, the first step is to make the number of digits on either side same. So how do you do that? If you add a 0 to the beginning of a number, it doesn't change the number, correct? So if you add a 0 here, the number is still 456. So this is our first step. Now there are 4 digits in the first number and the second number also. Then we can go ahead with the addition. First you take the first set of digits, which is 5 plus 0, which is 5. But before writing the answer, go for the next set of digits. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is a carry combination. So you have to add 1 to the previous sum, which is 5. So 5 plus 1 will give you 6. Then you go for the next addition pair, which is 8 plus 4. The sum is 2. Then through that number concept, the sum is 2. But keep 2 in mind and observe the next digits. The next set of digits is 3 plus 5, which is a non-carry combination. So you can write the 2 directly there. And calculate the sum of the next set, which is 3 plus 5, which is 8. But before writing 8, again you observe the next pair, which is 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is again a carry combination. So you have to add 1 to the sum of 3 plus 5, which is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. And finally, the last set of digits 4 plus 6, the nth number is 0. So as you can see, just seeing the question without writing any addition step, you can directly write the answer with practice. This nth number concept as well as the carry combination and non-carry combination. If these are very thorough, you can directly write the answer like this without writing any additional step. But it needs practice. Now let's see an addition with many number of digits. So the first step is to make the number of digits on either side of plus to be the same. So the first number has 6 digits, whereas the second number has only 4 digits. So you have to add 2 more zeros to this number to make the number of digits same. The first number has 6 digits and second number also has 6 digits. We can go for the answer now. We are going to take the digits one by one and see. 8 plus 0, it is 8. But before writing 8, observe the next pair, which is 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is a non-carry combination. So you can write 8 directly here. Then moving on to the next digit 5 plus 0, 5. Before writing 5, go for the next pair, which is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is a carry combination. So you add 1. So it becomes 6. 6 plus 5, the nth number is 1. But before writing 1, go for the next pair, which is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is a non-carry combination. So you can write the 1 directly here. 2 plus 3 is 5. But before writing 5, observe the next digits. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is a carry combination. So you add as 1 to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 5, the nth number is 3. Before writing 3, you observe the next pair, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. It is a non-carry combination. So you can write the sum directly here, which is 3, and the last addition sum is 5. Hope you have understood the concept thoroughly. If you have any doubts or anything you want to clarify, you can mail me. The email ID is given in the description below. Thank you.